how do you replace yourself in your business? Well, there is two things. You need to set systems up, and your employees need to be trained to think the way you do. And in this video, I'm not going to talk about setting systems up because I did a couple videos about that. But how do you train your staff to replace yourself? And sometimes I talk to business owners and they say, oh, I don't have time to focus on training my employees now. Maybe in a year's time, I'll be able to replace myself. But actually training your employees might take you a year, okay? It might take you a long time to set your business systems up, depending how everybody is working as a team in your business and how much data you have, right? But training your staff starts with them watching how you are performing certain tasks, how you're handling different conversations with your clients, how you're handling conversations with suppliers, how are you handling conversations with other employees, okay? And it's not about just copying what you say. More importantly, if you can explain to them why you said what you said, why you chose to turn that client down, why you chose to upsell to that particular client. So in other words, your staff has to kind of get in your head in thinking on the same level as you do. It's so easy to train your staff in scripts. What do I say to a customer? Okay, the suppliers, with the other employees. But what's more important, why are you thinking that way? Why are you saying things that way? So next time you have a difficult client, next time you have a difficult conversation with somebody, don't just get your staff that you want to train to replace yourself to watch what you do, but explain afterwards why you did it, why you chose to do that, why you chose to upsell, why you chose to have that difficult conversation, why you chose to let it go. Sometimes you need to train your staff to know when it's not the right time to pick up on an employee. Okay? That's what replacing yourself means. Yes, number one is setting systems up, but number two, especially if you have a team of people working for you, you need to train them to think how you think. And I do remember one story when I was working with a butcher. I was teaching his staff how to upsell things in his shop. He was selling meat, he was selling chicken, and then they have lots of different sauces, spices, veggies that they were not really able to sell. Okay, so I helped them to come up with this upsell system. And one of his staff asked, what is this? He took coconut milk and he said, what is this? What can you do with coconut milk? And that's when my client got a huge aha moment. Okay, this guy was working in the shop for 2 years, but he didn't know what coconut milk is for, right? Okay, so sometimes you assume that your staff is as good as you, but they aren't. So it's okay to explain things 1, 2, 3, 4 times. By doing that, you're doing a huge favor to yourself, because there is nothing easier than going away on a holiday for a week or two and being at peace that your shop, your store, wherever you're doing, your business will be able to run without you being in there. Okay, well, let me know what problems you face when you're trying to replace yourself. And if you do need help with that, if you need coaching, reach out to me through my website, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye.